The Nigerian Union of Teachers Lagos State Wing has held the third Alogba Olukoya annual lecture and award series with a focus on revitalizing basic education in the state.
The Alogba Olukoya annual lecture series offers a strategic and invaluable platform to engage in deep reflection on the state of education in Nigeria, with particular focus on the situation in Lagos State. It is more than a commemorative event. It is a clarion call for action. I am personally convinced that there is a compelling need for regular and structured opportunities where critical stakeholders from government, educational institutions, civil society, the private sector, and the teaching professions can convene to critically examine emerging trends, underlying challenges, and viable solutions in our education sector.
The topic you have chosen today, in fact, everybody should be concerned. Lagos State is trying, but there is room for improvement. I think you and I should brainstorm to find solutions to all these problems. The one that is so dearest to my own heart, of course, started when we were here in the service. That is the 65-year extension. There is no way, especially this day when you have digitalized education, if we still have our members, despite the fact that they are 60 and above, they are still willing to contribute their own little quota. Please, let us avail them the opportunity. That is the only way we can begin to ignite success, record success in our own sector.
All the principals that have done very well, and some teachers too, let's constitute them into volunteer brigade. We are not going to go very far because transfer money, no be joke. Within 100 meters, all teachers that are retired, living in that area, build them into an inspectorate volunteer corps that they can go to secondary school and form which they will be using. After that, those who volunteer, we should now look for money to fund them by looking for those who are now funding Falcon, those who are funding Tigress.
Highlights of the event included the presentation of awards to individuals who have made significant contributions to the growth of the teaching profession. Among them, the chairman of the Lagos State Teaching Service Commission and the chairman of the Lagos State Universal Basic Education Board.
The team choosing, revitalizing basic education, addressing the decline in student performance, and promoting excellence points to the realization of the shortcomings of our current system. This requires us to undertake a critical evaluation of every aspect of the system as we know it today. This is why it is gratifying that it is teachers who are today leading the change. As teachers, you are the front-line soldiers in this battle. It is to you that we must look to find the appropriate solutions. In my view, the challenge before us is how do we reignite the flame of excellence in our classrooms. In finding answer to these simple questions, we must really understand the nature and the root causes of the problem. The ability to do a proper diagnostic will invariably assist our solutions.
We need an educational ecosystem that empowers students, teachers, and communities to lead change. And that's exactly what the program C-Teach is all about. It's a program that was designed to address the issues that I just spoke of. And it's to equip teachers with mindset skills and tools that they need to bring in classroom. They need to understand what it means to work in teams, to collaborate, to empower leadership amongst youth, and to take action.
I feel so elated and happy. However, I want to say that this is not about me. It's about the Sube family. It's an award that I dedicate to the entire member of the Sube family. Because a tree does not make a forest. Whatever they might have seen to have considered me for this award must have been an effort, a collective effort of the family, the Sube family.
Everybody that is here will have taken home one thing or the other that will bring a lot of improvement to the education sector, especially in the performance of students. So I want to see it as a very laudable program, and it should continue.
Today is all about solving problems, celebrating a living legend, and also mentoring those who are coming behind, that whatever you are doing today, people are watching, and tomorrow is there for you to justify whatever you have done for posterity's sake.
The Nigerian Union of Teachers says the annual lecture and award series is part of ongoing efforts to promote excellence and reposition basic education for the future.